Zoho CRM tutorial, how to get started with Zoho CRM. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I will show you a quick tutorial on how you can easily start with Zoho CRM app. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, what is Zoho? Zoho is a popular customer relationship management or CRM software used for managing sales, marketing campaigns, and customer support in a collaborative environment. By setting up and customizing a system to your organization's preferences and incorporating the data and workflows you'll need, you ensure you get the most out of all the advanced features Zoho CRM can offer. And today's video, I will show you how to use Zoho in just a few easy steps. So before we sign up and explore its software, let's first explore their homepage. So here, as you can see, Zoho featured apps. You have your mail here for your email marketing. You have your books here for a powerful financial platform for growing business. You also have your desk app here for your customer service solution and your project management tool as well to plan and track your projects. So here you also have different app for online workplace for your teams that working remotely. So you have your assist here to remote support, you have your meeting, you also have your work drive here to manage all your files, and also you have your click here for chat inside your workplace. So you also have your bundles here. So inside Zoho, you can run your entire business with 45 plus integrated applications. And with Zoho One, you can manage, connect, and automate business process across your organization. You can also experience the operating system for your business. So down here, you will see all the Zoho apps here, from the application for sales and marketing, for customer service, for email and collaboration, for finance, for human resources, security and IT management, custom solutions, legal, and business intelligence. And also, Zoho trusted by more than 80 million users globally, and also big companies trusted Zoho as well, like Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, Renault, and HP, and more. So here, to get started, you can sign up for free. So Zoho offers new user 15 days free trial to test their software. So if you like the software, after 15 days, you can go ahead and upgrade to premium plans. So to get started, you just need to provide your email here and create your own password, or you can just directly sign in using your Google account or using your LinkedIn or your Microsoft account. Let me go ahead and sign up using my Google account. So after you provided your email here, just provide your name, your country, and then don't forget to check this box over here to agree to their terms of service and their privacy policy, and then create account. Alright, so once you're signed up, you will be redirected to this page. So here you can see the popular apps that you can make use of inside the Zoho. So here you have your CRM app, you have your mail app, your desk, assist, and more. So let me just go ahead and try this CRM. And here, let's just go ahead and click Access Zoho CRM to get started. Alright, and here you can start by providing your company name and the company phone number. So let me just go ahead and name this one as Test Company. And the phone number here, I will just make use of my phone number. And then over here, you can also set up your time zone, your language, and also your currency. So once everything has been set up, then just go ahead and click Get Started. Alright, and here you have two options to get started. So if you like a tour inside the Zoho CRM, then you can click this one. Or if you like to show some instruction how you can migrate or import all your data, then you can click this one for guidance. Alright, so I just skipped the tour and I am now here in my main dashboard. So this is your main dashboard. And here you can see your my open deals, my untouched deals, and your call today, and also your leads over here. And also you can see here your open task. So you can manage all the open tasks here, and also you can check all your meetings here. And down here, you also have your today's leads and also the deals that you closed for this month. And also down here, you have your pipeline deals by stage to see your performance. And up here, you also have your different tabs. So you have your home. You also have tabs here for your leads. So here you can see all the leads that you have here, the list of your leads. And also if you want to create a new lead, a new separate lead, then you can just click this one. So here you just need to, you can add an image here for this new lead. And then you can also add the lead owner name over here. If you have different owner, then you can enter the name here. Then just provide the name of the new lead here, the title of the new lead, the phone number, the mobile number, the lead source. So you have different source here, like for example, from your advertisement, cold call, employee referral, online store, whatsoever. And then you also have your industry here, if what is the industry this new lead belongs. For example, data, telecom, government, military, large enterprise, etc. And also you can enter here the annual revenue of this new lead. And then also for the email here, if the lead opt out of getting an email, and also the company that this new lead belongs, and then the email belong, and then the company that this new lead working right now, the email, and etc. So you just need to complete all the information here, and also the address and the description, and then just click save here, and then your new lead will be added to your lead list. So over here in your lead list, you can also check this one over here. And then as you can see, when you check this box over here, you also have an option up here. You can run a macro over here. Alright, so here you can create a macro. And by the way, macro inside the Zoho CRM are a set of actions that can be executed for this group of records in a module. So you can name this group over here. You can add a name and description. And here are the actions that you can be executed for this group. So for example, you can send an email here. So you can create an email template over here. Just select a template. Or you can also update their field. So you have different field here for annual revenue, for the city, company, country, etc. Or you can also add a task for this group over here. And these are the group that we just selected earlier. So you can just create a macro. Or you can also send an email here for this list that we just checked. Or you can create a task for this group over here. And here you can create a task, and also you can set a due date, a priority, owner, a reminder, and also you can do the repeat here, or you can also add more fields if you like for the status and description. So let me just click done and then cancel this one. Or you can also add some tags for this group. And lastly, you can also add some actions here for this group that we just selected. So let me just go ahead and uncheck this leads over here. And also you have your contacts here. You also have your accounts over here. You have option to create an account here. You can also see all the deals. And then you can also add your task over here. You have your meetings, your calls, your reports, analytics, and you also have your services and your projects. And also for more, you can check these three dots, and you can see here you also have more option to check like your products, your codes, sales order, purchase order, invoices. So everything that you need for your business is already inside the Zoho CRM. And also you have a shortcut icon here to create lead, to create contact, add a new account, etc. And I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.